warning, before you watch this video, I got a disclaimer, okay? First of all, sometime in the middle of this fragrance video, I'm gonna be telling you my emotional notes. That is a note that you cannot find in any fragrance bottle. You can't find it. It's right here. It's right here. As a new frag head, in my opinion, the most important note in any fragrance is the emotion notes. Okay? It could either be positive, negative, it could be love, hate, or in between. But that's the emotional note. The emotional note is the most important note in any fragrance. Anyway, I warned you. Stay tuned. Yo, reporting live from beautiful Northwest Florida, and that's Pensacola, Florida, if you do not know. Welcome to my channel, Melly Mel Shaves. This is the fragrance section of my channel. I'm over here at the post office. I delivered some packages, and I got me a package waiting for me. Anyway, so you already know this is gonna be a live unboxing. Anyway, stay tuned. Hey guys and gals, I figured I'd do a different unboxing. It's a beautiful day here in Pensacola, and I figured I'd do a live unboxing at the beach. One thing I love about living in Pensacola, I'm surrounded by beach communities. I'm over here in Perdido Key, Florida, which is just across the bridge. And one thing I love about living here, especially in December, the weather. It is beautiful. As I am recording this video, it is in the mid 50s, and that's pretty cold for us Floridians. And one thing I love about December, also, there's nobody in the beach. I am by myself. So how sweet is that? So I figured I'd do a live unboxing and show you my hometown. Anyway, comment below if you ever been to Pensacola, Florida, or Perdido Key. If you haven't, it's a beautiful place. Anyway, this is a live unboxing on the Happy Land fragrance. This is my second indie fragrance company that I have experienced or will experience. The first one is Sammy Andros, and I was so excited to receive his fragrances that I forgot to do a live unboxing. However, I will be doing a full review on the Sammy Andros Blue Sapphire, thanks to my good friend and my boy, Ross Carlos, TLTG Reviews. I appreciate you, man, for helping me out with my fragrance journey. And also thanks to him, Ross Carlos, he enabled me to get some Happy Land fragrances, and it just arrived not too long ago. And check out my boy Ross Carlos over there in TLTG Reviews. Subscribe to his channel. The guy gives great content. I learned so much from him, and not only that, he's just a good dude, man. All right, man, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. All right. And the owner of Happy Land is E.J. Wells. He's based out in Ohio. And again, I heard so many good things about the Happy Land fragrances. Okay. Nice bubble wrap. So I got 3. All right, first impressions. Here's the first one. Okay, it comes in a black bag. So what fragrance did I get? What fragrance did I get? Woo! Paisley Sky. I love these bottles, man. I love these bottles. Anyway, I got the 50 ml bottle. Look at it. I love this. I love the gold amber type juice. Looks good in the sun, don't it? All right, first impressions, baby. Let's see what's up. Heard this atomizer is a beast, and yes, it is. Good Lord, put a fire out of that one. All right, first impressions. Wow. Good Lord. These are my emotional notes, okay? These are my emotional. I'm a new frag head, so my nose doesn't detect a lot of stuff. But all I gotta say is I'm showing you my emotional notes. Good Lord, I love this one. I know my wife will love this one too. So I get, for me, sweet floor. Sweet floor, but like in a manly way, baby. Sweet floor, but in a manly way. I already know my wife's gonna love this. Holy. All right. First impressions on the Happy Land Paisley Sky. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Woo! I'm loving this one. Oh, I'm loving this one. I see why this is Ross's favorite. All right. Second bottle. Okay, well this one is in a different type of bag. Let's see what I got here. Ha! It's also a 50 ml bag. I mean 50 ml bottle. And this is the El Gudo. Gosh, I love this bottle. Love this bottle. Looks great. All right, let's see. First impressions, baby. Hold on. Whoa. That's a beast mode of a spray. Beast mode of a spray. You can put a fire out of that one. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Again, these are my emotional notes. These are my emotional notes. So when I'm doing this, when I'm doing that, and when I'm smiling, because your boy's smiling. I love it. I love this scent, man. Okay, I get a grape. Grape is right off bat. I get a great boozy note. I get a great boozy note. For me, this is like a great bourbon. And doggone it, it smells damn good. Excuse me, I didn't mean to curse, but good Lord. I got a great bourbon. And I love this scent, man. I don't even know what I'm going to wear tonight or today. Thumbs up. Woo! Happy Land. I see why they call it Happy Land, because when you spray it, you get all happy. Your boy's happy. You see this? This is real, man. This is real. These are my emotions. Okay, so I already love the Paisley Sky and the El Gudo. Woo! I got one more. I don't know if I could take it, guys. I don't know if I could take it. All right. Third bottle. Here goes. I love this. Home for the holidays. And the reason why I got the 30 ml bottle is because, hey, I'm only gonna use it around the holidays when it gets cold. So for Pensacola, Florida, in December in the 50s, that's cold for us, and I will be using this in the holidays. You guys like coffee? Get this one. Anyway, I've never had a coffee scent before, so I'm kind of intrigued. So let me check it out. Let me go a little higher. Here he goes. Here he goes. What? OMG. It smells like a sweet, seriously, it smells like a sweet coffee along with some syrupy waffles. And you know what? It smells delicious, man. Woo! 3 bangers, man. 3 bangers. Guys, this is a banger. Okay? I like to play in words on for the holidays. EJ, bro, you hit it. You hit it out the park. And I want to thank you, Ross, for enabling this new frag head. Thank you, my brother. Anyway, guys, these are my emotional notes. And I love these 3. I love the Paisley Sky. I love the El Gudo. And I love the OM for the holidays. Anyway, if you are watching this video, I want to thank you. It means the world when you watch my videos. It means the world when you like my videos, when you leave a positive comment, when you subscribe to my channel, and when you hit that notification bell so you know each and every video that I upload. And also, if you are watching this video, yes, you are having a good day. Just make sure you make this good day into an amazing day. As always, until the next episode, outsmell them, don't outspin them. Anyway, Wet Shaving community, I love you. Frag community, I love you. YouTube, I love you. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next episode. Anyway, I'm smelling good over here in beautiful Northwest Florida, and that's Pensacola, Florida, if you do not know. Anyway, love ya. Mwah.